box with easy slide cross rail. Introducing the largest garage in a box yet. 40% of vehicles on the road today are SUVs or full-size trucks. ShelterLogic built this garage just for them with a full 8 feet per 2.4 m of door clearance. Bolt-together brackets allow easy access to pressure point for optimal performance. Provide year-round protection for your vehicles and outdoor storage needs. With the affordable garage in a box from ShelterLogic. This extra-large version measures 13 by 20 by 12 feet, making it ideal for SUVs, full-size trucks, larger boats, multiple motorcycles, and more. It offers door clearance of 8 feet, 4 inches, and it features high-grade steel frame construction. That's finished with a Dupont powder coating to prevent chipping, peeling, rust and corrosion. You'll be able to create a durable shelter quickly thanks to the rugged ratchet-tight tensioning system and shelter lock stabilizers. Uneasy sliding cross rail locks down the cover and squares up the frame. The waterproof, triple-layer shelter cover features a heat-bonded enhanced weave polyethylene construction. And it's been UV-treated inside and out with added fade blockers, anti-aging agents. So it will withstand the elements for years to come. In addition to an all-steel frame and waterproof cover, this package includes a roll-up door kit, double-zippered front door panel, auger anchors, steel foot plates, and easy-to-follow step-by-step instructions. The shelter went up very easily, and I do feel that even an untrained monkey could assemble. Only somebody with severe AD could have trouble. All you do is lay out the pieces and bolt it together. Nothing hard if you just focus a little. Easy slide cross rail, best-in-class feature for continuous cover tightening. Advanced engineered fabric covers are triple-layer woven polyethylene that is ripstop touch and UV treated inside and out. Good strong garage, very easy to assemble. I did my research and this is the best value for the money. Patented Alpine design frame bolt together hardware at every frame connection makes this GIB easier to assemble and ultra sturdy. Reinforced door rafter design, bigger, stronger Alpine frame with reinforced roof structure adds more volume and overall strength. This is a great product for the value and for the price. And don't forget to support this video by giving your like for this video. Please click like button below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.